It's clean, and now let's wipe it up. Clean and dry. Time to go home. Here is the door panel after some cleaning. I don't think it turned out bad. It turned out pretty good. Yeah. The door handle is a door handle. We will take care of that during the restoration, but I won't spoil the fun for you. What is that we're gonna do with these? Yep, but all in all, it's coming out really nice. Let's look at the seat. Not bad. I would say not bad at all. After some thorough cleaning and a set of almost matching mats with blue piping, I'd say it doesn't look that bad anymore. What do you think? There you go. At the front, this of course was always used for over 330,000 kilometers, I guess, because someone has had to drive this car and put the elbow in here, so this material is still a bit dirty, but that's okay. I'd say it's bearable. Two new pedal pads, rubber pads. It costed me a fortune, €3 for both. Yep. And that's how the original carpet looks. And there we have a little one for the middle seat. and of course 2 for the front. There you go. Nice set of rubber mats would be fine, would be good, would be really nice, but as you can see around, with all this green stuff, I don't think we're gonna get any white stuff anytime soon, so I think we're good. We're good with these for now. They look nice, and yep, you can see the material on the dash, how it came out after a good cleaning. Nothing is perfect, but I would say not that terrible for 24 years. Alright, that's all for now. We'll see you in the next video.